This is 45 seconds on making the most of your test drive. Do your research first. Make a list of features you prioritize and research vehicles to find out which meet your expectations. Call ahead or make an appointment online. Ensure the vehicle you actually want to test drive is in stock and available for a ride. Many times dealerships will have it cleaned and waiting for you. Bring a friend. It's always good to have a second opinion. You might even consider taking turns driving so you can experience the drive from the passenger seat or back seat. Test the features. New technology is introduced all the time. Press all the buttons. Try out the entertainment system. Is everything user-friendly and within easy reach? Drive it like it's already yours. Get a feel for its acceleration, deceleration, steering, and braking. Try it on side streets and take it on the highway. Ask questions. Make sure you understand all the features of the vehicle. Don't be embarrassed to ask the salesperson about the vehicle, the manufacturer, the warranty, or anything else you're curious about. Go ahead and schedule a test drive today at the Folsom Auto Mall and make the most of it.